This is Stairs Upgrade Part 4, where we do the upper 7 steps. I'm taking the measurements of each stair because they're not all the same size, and my husband is writing them down on the sticky notes. Then we could take them out to the garage, and I used those measurements to make each PVC riser first, numbering them 1 to 7. After he cut them, then we used that to make the stair treads, also numbering them 1 to 7 to keep them in the correct order. Doing it together like that made it go really fast so that we could just head back in and do the other part, probably about 30 minutes at most. Once we went back in, I was doing a riser first. You put construction adhesive on it, squish it on, and then put brad nails along the top edge. Those nails will then be hidden by the next stair tread with that bull nose that loops around, and you won't see them. So then on the stair tread, you do the same construction adhesive, squish it down, put some brad nails along the back edge, and again the next riser hides it. By having both of us work on this at the same time, he was able to hand me the pieces and make it go not just twice as fast with 2 people, but really 3 times as fast. Due to not having to go up and down the staircase to grab more materials, and he kept track of what order things needed to go in. On this riser right here, actually, it sat 1/4 of an inch too far back, so we had to pry it back out. Luckily I hadn't nailed it. Found that my staple puller was the best tool for that job. After I got it out, my husband had cut some shims from scrap wood, tacked that in, and then was able to put that riser back in, and it sat properly and was structurally stable. Then I continued right back up the stairs, putting up the last couple of treads and risers to complete the full set. Once we had them all on there, I needed to weigh it down so the glue could set overnight. So we found every heavy item we could in our house: paint cans, kettlebells, cat litter, stand mixer, vacuum, all of it, to make sure that it was nice and stable. We have lots more steps coming, including the handrail, so keep watching.